Hey guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will discuss a job openings from Brunei. It's a economical strong country. So nowadays many of job openings from there. So if you're interested to apply for this job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, and everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. We see multiple vacancies from Brunei and hiring urgently from Brunei. Positions and salary. Project coordinator 3,500 to 4,500. It's the Indian Brunei currency. And second, maintenance coordinator 3,500 to 4,500 in Brunei currency. Welding engineer, the salary will be negotiable. And for the planning manager, the salary will be 3,500 to 4,500. For quality surveyor, 2,500 to 3,500. Material inspector, salary will be 2,500 to 3,500. And for the completion engineer, salary will be 2,500 to 3,500. And for fabrication coordinator, the salary will be 2,500 to 3,500. And for logistic and material coordinator, salary will be 2,500 to 3,500. And for planning engineer, salary will be 2,500 to 3,500. For project manager, the salary will be 2,000 to 3,000. And for welder, salary will be 1,000 to 1,200. And last, the position is marker fitter, salary will be 1,000 to 1,200. So this is all about the job openings, and for this job I hope you know that you should have the proper qualification and experience to apply for this job. And the main thing, you should have the relevant experience. So guys, if you are the really eligible person for this job, then apply for this job through sending your all documents to the given official email ID. You have to make your CV and a proper cover letter, and you have to attach all of your educational and experience certificates. So guys, this is all about the urgent job vacancies, and there are 13 different job profiles are there. And among these 13 job profiles, which is your matching profile as per your professional, as per your qualification and experience, you can apply for this job. So the thing is, you have to apply as soon as possible. The employer did not mention any last date. You have to apply as soon as possible because they will start the shortlisted process. So you have to send your documents to the given official email ID. After you sending your CV, the shortlisted process will be start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview. Once you attend the interview, you have to follow all the process for the further steps. So the thing is, this is the urgent job vacancies, and this the good country, it's a Brunei. And many of times, many of my viewers, they are uh, they are in concern that there is no reply from the employers. For that, I would like to say one thing: you have to keep patience, you have to apply again and again, and you have to make your CV and cover letter be professionals, so that your profile will be highlighted to the employer. And once your profile will be highlighted by the employer, of course you can get a reply. So the thing is, you have to make your documents be proper, CV, cover letter, and you have to send your all documents having experience and educational qualification certificates. Then according to your document, your profile will be selected for the interview. So the thing is, you have to keep patience and don't lose your hope. If you want to abroad job, then you have to apply again and again the same things I already said in the previous videos. So don't worry, just try to apply in the proper process. Of course, one day you will get a success result. So again, I would like to tell you, this is urgent job vacancies from Brunei, and there are different types of job openings. Total 13 job profiles are there, and you can apply as per your professional qualification and experience. And the email ID also here. After you apply, the start process will be the shortlisted process will be start. After the shortlisted process complete, your CV will be shortlisted and you can attend the interview. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and please share this information to your friends and relatives and the person who want a abroad job. And the all information are available in the descriptions below this video. So please go to the descriptions below this video and collect the information with email ID and make your proper documents and send to the given official email ID. So guys, I hope you understand the whole process. Still, if you have any confusion, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give you an answer. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, of course, we will discuss the another job openings which is latest, and so that it will be helpful for your careers. So up to that, stay with this channel. Bye bye.